And now the roof's about to be started. Just looks like paper.
Yes.
Huh. That's crazy. Unrolled itself, didn't it? And now I'm off to get Hayden some lunch because he's pretty awesome doing this. Luckily we've got a slight slope so I can actually see what's happening on the roof, and I can film with my zoom lens as well. Roof's finished!
Roof shout.
Roof shout.
A few beers.
It's now watertight.
No, God no.
No? But it's got a roof on and it's got kind of waterproof sides.
Kinda.
Kinda? So what's next?
Nothing today. No, that's it.
Big day though.
It's alright. Wasn't too bad.
It looked like a lot to me. Lots seemed to happen. Good job, Hayden.
Bit of a rush when the wind came out.
Yeah. My camera, the memory card was full and Hayden was like, "No, I have to put the roofing on." Ended up filming that part on my iPhone. It's completely different feeling space now with the sides on. And it's pretty high up really, like, you know, there's plenty of space. I had wondered if it'd feel a bit tight. Is that when you find out the window's wrong? Or is it just an optical illusion?
Optical illusion.
It does because of the wrap, eh? The lines on the wrap. Looks yellow. Always tricky to pick the right colour. I ended up going for like the lightest wood colour. I'm wondering if it's going to be very yellow, but we'll see. We'll see. What do you reckon?
Luckily we're only doing the back.
Yeah. Gotta film the first official.
Why? Why would she?
Well, that's going to take you a while, Hayden.
I'm going to do the edges.
In that case, I don't want to stop him. What's good, what's bad? What? Put it where? Oh, okay.
And we've got a helper today. Jack, Hayden's son, is visiting, and yeah, he's giving Hayden a hand since I can't really do much at the moment.
Yep, we've got to turn it upside down.
So the stain's not lasting long. It's
Soaking in, that's all.
yeah,
Second one won't be as bad.
yeah, but this is just once on the back. It's maybe half a can, and you do 4. It's definitely a bright yellow. Yes, yes, no. Yes to the colour?
Yes, the colour.
Yeah. Okay, we're going for a bright yellow. Yeah, the name of the stain is Kofi, which is a yellow flower in New Zealand.
That's a door I don't want to touch.
You don't want to touch. That's an exciting door.
Wait, is it even a door?
Yeah.
I can't even see through it.
You waved to. You don't normally see through doors.
Up, up, up.
Well, I usually have like some glass.
Let me get down.
Oh, that's strong. What?
Multiple pieces. And Hayden picked up some lining wood yesterday from Hamilton. It ended up being a mix of wood just because they didn't have the one we were planning to. They only had like six of the 9mm poplar plywood that we were planning to line the whole interior with, so we've had to do a mix.
12.
Very light, isn't it? Like a light colour. And that's the other.
17. And this is...
There's three 12s.
This is...
The poplar. Yeah, it looks heavier.
Oh my god.
It's a lot heavier, eh?
Oh, there's only 3 of this.
Yeah, it should be. For the front. And then this is thinner stuff.
Going that way against that wall.
And while Hayden was up around Auckland, he picked up his new solar power kit and a generator.
What's that? Is it a generator?
Wow, it's
Is
huge.
it loud?
It's a big one. Wow. Look at it. It's crazy.
Hey Jack, pull that pellet out.
Yeah, I don't think you're the right on this menu. It's a different color. Is it silent?
It has a big silent sticker on it.
Oh, perfect.
This is one giant looking generator. And it wasn't really planned. Hayden just turned up with it. And we have the most impressive solar power kit to install, but I'm going to do a completely separate video on this one. But we've needed power. My caravan hasn't been handling things well recently. Seems to be like the compressor fridge and my laptop, it keeps dropping down to the 70s, which is very rare. And I honestly don't know how Hayden survived with the smallest solar panel in the world, or turning his car on, because his smaller generator, his first one, is still sitting at the tool repair shop. Don't know when it's going to come back. So yeah, I don't know how Hayden's been charging all of his power tools, really. Pretty excited. I am really excited to get a proper power setup soon.